You'll never believe what happens when you mix toothpaste with red onions. Every home should know this simple trick. Hi everyone, it's Tracy. We all use toothpaste every day, but most of us don't realize it can do so much more than just clean our teeth. And red onions, they're not only amazing for cooking, but when combined with toothpaste, the result is surprisingly powerful. Today, let's find out what really happens when we bring these two simple things together. Let's start by making the mixture. First, peel a small red onion and cut it into small pieces. This helps release all the natural oils and nutrients inside. Place the chopped onion into a bowl. Then squeeze about 4 inches of toothpaste, just enough to mix well. Add enough water to completely cover the onion pieces. Now, take a spoon and stir thoroughly until the toothpaste begins to dissolve. Since toothpaste isn't fully liquid, you'll need to mix it a bit longer to help it blend evenly with the onion. After mixing well, let the bowl sit for about 15 minutes. During this time, the natural allicin in the onion combines with the cleaning power of the toothpaste, creating a simple homemade solution with surprisingly powerful effects. Use 1. Deodorizing the refrigerator. Now, let's take a look at the first smart use of this solution, deodorizing the refrigerator. After soaking, wrap the bowl of onion and toothpaste solution with a piece of plastic wrap. Use a toothpick or a fork to poke a few small holes in the top of the bowl. This step helps the fragrance spread slowly without evaporating too quickly. Then, simply place the bowl on one of the shelves inside your refrigerator. Over time, the natural compounds in the onion help neutralize unpleasant odors, while the mild minty scent of the toothpaste keeps the air fresh and clean. After just a few hours, you will notice that the bad smell has completely disappeared, replaced by a faint, refreshing fragrance. This tip is especially useful if your refrigerator is filled with mixed foods such as fish, meat, or leftovers that often leave behind unpleasant odors. Furthermore, both of these ingredients are natural and safe, so you don't need to worry about any harmful chemicals near your food. Use 2. Remove grease from the oven. After each time baking food, the oven accumulates a lot of grease, dirt, and stubborn food residue, making your kitchen smell unpleasant. But instead of using strong chemical sprays, use this simple homemade cleaning solution. Start by straining the onion and toothpaste mixture. Use a small sieve to filter out the pulp and keep only the liquid. Then pour it into a small spray bottle. Next, spray this solution directly onto the greasy spots inside the oven, and remember to spray it on the baking tray as well. Leave it for about 10 minutes. The natural acid in the onion will break down the grease, while the mild abrasive in the toothpaste will polish the surface perfectly. After that, use a sponge or a soft cloth to wipe everything clean once more. You will see that your oven becomes shiny, with no more stuck food residue or grease. More importantly, you won't need to use any chemical cleaners to deal with it. Isn't that wonderful? Three. Insect repelling and plant care spray. Not only that, the combination of toothpaste and purple onion is also considered a weapon that repels insects and takes care of indoor plants extremely effectively. First, remove the finely chopped onion pieces using a small sieve and pour the liquid into a clean spray bottle. Tighten the cap, shake quickly, and your multi-purpose spray bottle is ready to use. Spray a thin mist over the indoor plants, focusing on the roots and the undersides of the leaves, where small insects often hide. The strong natural scent of onion repels mosquitoes, flies, and other harmful insects, while the mild antibacterial compounds help protect plants from mold and promote healthy growth. If your plants already have small insects, simply spray once a day for 3 to 5 days, and you will see them disappear. What is even more wonderful is that this spray bottle is completely safe, no chemicals, no toxic fumes, and perfectly suitable for use around children or pets. During summer and autumn, you can also prevent mosquito bites by spraying near doors or windows. Simple, natural, and surprisingly effective. Who would have thought that something so simple could help keep the home clean and the plants greener? Use 4. Remove limescale from faucets and teapots. Over time, mineral deposits from hard water build up on metal and glass surfaces, leaving them dull and covered with white spots. To clean them, simply spray or apply a small amount of the onion and toothpaste solution directly onto the affected area. Let it sit for about 2 minutes to allow the active ingredients to loosen the buildup. Next, take a soft cloth or a sponge and gently wipe the surface. You'll notice the limescale starting to dissolve almost immediately. The natural acid in the onion helps break down mineral residue, while the mild abrasives in the toothpaste polish the surface, restoring its shine without scratching it. Once you're done, rinse everything thoroughly with clean water and dry at the faucet or teapot will look shiny and new again. This method works not only for kitchen and bathroom fixtures, but also for glass cups, teapots, and even stainless steel appliances. It's quick, safe, and chemical-free, leaving behind a fresh, clean scent instead of the harsh odor of store-bought cleaners. Use 5. Deodorize the drain and repel mosquitoes. Drains often retain unpleasant odors and even attract small insects, especially during warm and humid weather. To solve this problem, pour 1 cup of the onion and toothpaste solution directly down the kitchen or bathroom drain. The natural compounds in the onion help kill bacteria and eliminate bad smells, while the toothpaste cleans the inside walls of the pipe and leaves a gentle mint fragrance. Leave the solution for a few hours or overnight so it can completely break down the residue and disinfect the area. Then rinse again with water, and the drain will become clean and fresh. This simple step not only removes odors, but also helps prevent the buildup of fly eggs and larvae, one of the main causes of drain flies and mosquitoes in the house. Use once or twice a week to keep the pipes odor-free and the bathroom always fresh, helping your home stay clean, safe, and more pleasant to live in. And that's it, 5 simple yet effective ways to use toothpaste and onions around the house. From cleaning the refrigerator and oven to caring for plants and clearing out drains, this easy homemade solution truly does it all. It's natural, safe, and budget-friendly, perfect for anyone who loves practical, chemical-free cleaning tips. If today's tips were helpful, Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends or family who might enjoy simple tricks like these. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any upcoming kitchen and household tips. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.